Food was plentiful in ancient Egypt, thanks to the nutrient-dense soil along the banks of the river Nile. Every year, the river burst its banks and flooded the surrounding land. The thick black silt it left behind made the soil perfect for planting and growing crops. Farmers used oxen or simple wooden tools to plow the fields and sow seeds. They then used a special device called a shadoof to water the crops. A shadoof looked a bit like a seesaw with ropes hanging from either end. A bucket was tied to one rope and a heavy weight to the other. Farmers pulled the first rope to lower the bucket into the water, then pulled the other rope to bring the bucket back up out of the river. They could then use this to water their crops. Whole towns or villages gathered all of their grain together in big grain stores. It was important to keep the food dry by storing it in lidded containers. This way, it would stay fresh for many years in case of famine. The staple food in ancient Egypt was bread made from emmer, a kind of wheat. It could also be used to make a thick, nutritional, weak beer. Even children drank beer, because water from the Nile was not clean enough to drink, and there were not many wells. Other foods popular in ancient Egypt included green vegetables, onions, garlic, lentils, dates, figs, fish, birds, butter, cheese, and eggs. Egyptians also enjoyed drinking wine with spices and honey, or fruit juice made from dates.